y'all, welcome back. Happy Monday. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of different unboxings from beauty, lifestyle, home decor, pets, candles, snacks, everything in between. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. And guys, don't forget to please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. It does help me out. And also we have 2 active giveaways going on our channel right now. We have our huge holiday subscriber appreciation, which will be linked down below, as well as the thrift bag giveaway, which will also be linked down below. So definitely check those out and enter if you have not already. Otherwise, you saw we have the December 2019 Allure Beauty Box. And you guys, I'm so excited to get in here and see exactly what is in here because I know that this is a collab box with Anastasia Beverly Hills. What? So, yeah, I'm super stoked. So the Allure Beauty Box, for those of you that are not familiar, is a $15 a month beauty subscription. And you generally receive 5 to 6 items, and they can be sample, deluxe size, and even full-size items. We've been getting quite a lot of full-size items, actually. I'm really impressed with Allure the last few months. I think it's actually been better than in years past and months past. So I definitely recommend the subscription if you're looking for something to build up your makeup collection and try different things. It's a really great one that's not too expensive. And if I didn't say, your first box is $10, and you can get the subscription either through Allure or through Amazon. So I will link it down below. So if you would like to sign up, you can. But we're going to get in here and we're going to see exactly what we got for December 2019. Also, I want to say it is Sunday evening. It's been a lazy day. It is about 40 degrees and rainy, and I've just been relaxing. But I wanted to get this video up for you guys, so you're getting me in just my comfy mode. Now, I do have my little elf headband on, and I have these adorable little jingle bell earrings. Thank you so much to Brenda. She sent these to me. Brenda, I love them. They are gorgeous and so festive. Thank you. But let's get to the unboxing. All right, so when you take the lid off, there's always a beautiful lady on the little pamphlet. Stunning. And then inside here, it goes over the different products. It doesn't actually give you like the item description. It gives you like an editor's synopsis of their thoughts on the product. So we'll reference that if we need to, but let's pull it back and see what we got. So this is everything I'm seeing. We'll start with something that's not Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is actually from First Aid Beauty, which I love. It's the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer, safe for sensitive skin. It is non-comedogenic, and yeah, supply is needed to face throughout the day. I'm not sure if with this, is this full size? I think this might be full size. Let's find it. Okay, now it looks like you could have gotten a variation here. So you could have gotten this or the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. And this, I believe, is the full size, and it's $24. And here, one of the editors says, once the indoor heat goes up, my epidermis is as dry as a desert. My solution has been moisturizer, face oil, repeat. This First Aid Beauty moisturizer is so lightweight, I had real doubts, but the cream is full of heavy-duty moisturizing oils like avocado and meadow foam seed that get in there and hydrate on a deep level. So that is awesome. So definitely something super great to have this time of year because the heat is pumping and we definitely need extra moisturization. So, and then, okay, so we'll skip and we'll just save the ABH for last. So this also could have been a variation. This glittering sticky paste that looks like it's made of crushed opals retails for $53 for the full size. Now this is not full size. Yes, $53 for shampoo, but it's no normal shampoo. It uses crystals in a conditioning paste that rid the scalp of dead skin and product buildup, so your hair is fuller, more vibrant, and more excellent. Starting to seem like a pretty good deal now, isn't it? Okay, so I just saw Purifying Scrub with sea salt, so I assumed it was a body scrub, but it is actually like a shampoo. This purifying shampoo is ideal as a detox or post-coloring treatment. Apply on wet hair, massage the scalp, lather, then rinse. Whoa, okay. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells good. It almost smells kind of like a men's cologne. But I can see, can you guys see what they're talking about? It is kind of shiny and sparkly. I am very intrigued by this. Here I was thinking, oh, another body scrub. Nope, it's for your head. Okay, so now we move on. And this I believe is like a deluxe size, but this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. And obviously I really don't need to explain too much. I don't think that, I mean, it's a clear brow gel. It is going to tame your brows. So here is the packaging. And then just gonna have like a regular little spoolie. Well, it's not actually little, but you just, you know, to hold them in place. So that's always something great to have. And then we have a full-size Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. And according to this, it says that your box contains the shade Bohemian or Trust Issues. And this is a $20 value. So this right here is more than the cost of the box. And I got Bohemian. I don't know if I have any of her liquid lips. I think I got one time and I didn't care for the color, so I passed it on. But that is not the case this time. Just shake it up. This is gorgeous, and this is such a beautiful color for winter. Yo, look at that. That is so beautiful. I guess since I don't have anything going on, I can put some of this on. Okay, I will say, it feels absolutely amazing. If you have not tried one of her lip products, because this was the first time I've ever tried one, that went on like a dream, and it feels so just silky and nourishing and just absolutely amazing. This formula, what? Now, maybe it's just me, but it's a little darker than I thought it would be, but it's still a good color for this time of year, and I'm definitely glad to have it to add to my collection. Like I said, it's full size, $20. So, all right, you guys, we have one more product left, and it is also full size Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit. So it is a highlighting palette, and it is $40. So just between this and just the full-size lip, that's $60. So over $100 for 15 bucks. And if this was your first box, it would have only been 10. But let's take a look at this beauty. So I love this packaging. Oh my goodness. So I had a sheet You guys, that is just gorgeous. I can already tell you that these two right here are gonna be my favorites. I don't reach for purple highlight that often, but I'm glad to have it in a palette, so if I want to, I can. And then we have this kind of greenish, it's called Lucky Clover. And then that intrigues me because it's almost like a silvery. So I'm gonna swatch this one that I feel like would probably be the one I would use the most. And I'm gonna swatch this silver. So they feel amazing. So this is the whiter one and this is the silver one. And oh, that white one actually has almost like some blue undertones. Oh, I might be reaching for the silver. This is the silver. This is the one that I thought was kind of white. Y'all, look at that. Okay, I want to do this other one now too. This pink heart, this like peachy. Oh, well, the name of that white one is Blue Ice, so maybe that's why. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. It's right there. All right, why not? We'll do Lucky Clover, the green one, and we will do the darker purple. We'll just get an idea of what they all look like. So here is the green and the purple. Look at that green. And then the purple right there. That green is like, see, you can see it from space. But there are 5 of the shades. Let's go ahead and do that last one. All right. And this is Blue Moon is the name of this one. And it kind of looks like a light purple, light blue. I'm honestly not sure. And now it looks a little bit more silvery to me, where that one's kind of blue. But there they all are. That green is no joke. That green is like, I'm coming for you. So awesome. All right, you guys, what did you think? I am so excited, like I said, to have the full-size Moonchild Glow Kit. I mean, they're gonna see you from the moon with that green. The full-size lip, which is dried down nicely. Feels like nothing. The brow gel, the First Aid Beauty Moisturizer, and the shampoo scrub. So I am actually this is probably, I'm not even gonna lie, probably my favorite Allure box ever. This was, yeah. So let me know your thoughts down below. I love hearing from you guys. Again, I hope you have a fantastic Monday. Don't forget about those giveaways, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.